One boy, one fall for 15 stories, all because of deportation, my people. He one fall for 15 stories, all because of deportation, my people. Before I start, if you know that you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you, my people. If deportation, if they want to deport you, it water for you to kill your own self. I beg more than leave on a comment for the comment section, my people. Because this guy, I don't know what it be really like, what it be a problem. We be say it want form 15 stories for come down. All the name of say they want deporter. My people. It really water, as in it really water for you to say you want fall for 15 stories. Not be one or not be two, 15 stories. All because of deportation. You know, I don't really know what they happen to our people again. What they happen to people we be say because of deportation. Did you know if they deport you, you go even get a better life from there than this place where you dey, this Germany where you dey? Because I dey see different people they talk, say Germany, this, that, you know. When you dey illegal for place where you dey, what do you dey expect? I don't understand. When you don't say you dey illegal, what do you dey expect? Why one day deportation must come, but you know what? For you to say you want from 15 stories 4 come down, you know what time now? Yeah. Okay. I dey see when some guys they speak beneath there, they talk say, hey, this boy say one fall, or because they want deport Hambo, Germany leave us alone. Germany leave us alone. Germany no hold now. They no hold now. You go no say you dey illegal for place where you dey. You dey expect deportation one day. Yeah. Because now this thing, person wey don't take for country go dey tell una say, see how una waka, una life. Una go say no. Say now una no pass. So when they go set, una begin they say una want form up for, una want do this one. My dear, you know what for you to form up for 9. You know what yeah. How you say you want form up for because still they want to deport you? If you fall now, say anything happen to you, are on your own, my dear. If you fall, you go from there, go. You are on your own. You not concern Germany again, no. You not concern them. Because now you want by yourself, kill yourself. So you not concern anybody again now. Eh? How you could just say you want from up for because they want to deport you? My dear, I don't understand. I really want time, my people. Deportation really want time. This kind of thing I feel happen for this thing for Malaysia, where one guy from up for, or because they want deport him. Yeah, it happened for Malaysia. One guy for up for because they want deport him. The same thing that can still happen again now for Germany. If not be say they owe this guy now, that's why 44. If not be say they hold him. You will not say you they go place. You know say documents they important. Documents everywhere. Documents they important. And do not know what this people they do. After they don't put hand for ground for different places, they will come Germany. If Germany come deport you now, I will say Germany they bad. Germany na so they bad. Na so they do this one. My dear, what do you expect for place where you dey be say you dey illegal? You don't get documents. You must expect them one day. Yeah. You must expect them. Yeah. That is, me no understand. Una go dey place, you don't get documents. Later on, I'll say Germany they bad. Una go they carry different they give Germany. As if say Germany get one thing when they do. Now Germany say more not get documents. The day you invite two people, they not send na letter say more they come. Now na bana self use na two leg they come Germany. So why una go they give them bad name? You're not supposed to they give them bad name because you not consign them. Now when I saw that they come Germany, now come. So you find paper. Many people they use money they do paper now. But when they look the money say too big. Yeah. When I go dey look and say too big. So you file paper so that make they not disturb you. Okay, those two guys when they talk, Germany, all of them they give Germany bad name. When they give Germany name, we will not be their own. The Germany, they send on a letter, say Mona take come Germany. They not send on a letter. Now waiting on they expect, now wanna see, my dear. For you to say you want fall from up, sit down one way from Malaysia, all your body scatter. You not go dey okay again. There's no way go take dey okay. There is no how. You know, feel they okay because it already disfigure a body. Yeah. It don't disfigure a body finish. Me, I don't understand now. I don't understand the way some people take the reason for this deportation things. So they will just say they want, how they go deport me. I don't say deportation say no good though. Fine, but if you dey place for illegal because Germany don't change now. Before they go give you ass first before they'll come they tell you say they want deport you, but you not be like that again. Now they make sure say they do one for house. Then they make sure say they do one for camp now because they know say if you dey camp there you don't get where they go. So that make they could just do your case for camp so that they don't deport you. If they not deport you, they'll still give you house. Una come dey give Germany name will not be their own. Una come dey say Germany not good though, Germany not good though. When you dey illegal for place where you dey. You know what I mean? I mean if they say they want deport the night they'll go carry belle, they'll begin the born. You born 100 Peking though, you born 100 though. If they want to see deport you, they go see deport you. They go allow that Peking grow small, they'll see come again with their disturbance. Yeah. Now everywhere, even Italy, they deport too. Now everywhere. If it don't happen for Germany, all of them go just carry Germany. Because we know the year, with other people. Now everywhere for the happen. Yeah. Now everywhere this deportation day. But you know what time for you to say you want from up, jump up because they want to deport you. And someone do that day to just from window jump come down. It 2 leg just finish. That one not go work again for life now. All because of deportation. My dear people, you should stop doing all those things. How you go to jump up because they want to deport you? Now you go to jump. You know what time? Yeah, you know what time for you to jump. You know what time? You don't know whether if they deport you, whether your everywhere you don't feel achieve for the Europe. You supposed to now Africa you can't achieve and don't see people like that. But be everything can't do okay with they get one guy that time too. When I know for Italy that time, this boy every time now they hold him every time. The last one they can't deport him. So maybe it's start every day Europe here. As they deport him, the boy can't do okay for Nigeria. Everything can't do okay with him. Yeah, everything can't do okay with him. So if they want deport you, not be saying because of that one, you just say you want from up jump come down. They even they hold this boy, they drag and don't make they live out 50 stories. Thank God, say they hold him, you not come for again. What do you for tell God? Say God for forgive you. What do you for tell him? If you by yourself say that, but now you by yourself, make your own life, my dear. Now air fire direct, now you they go. You know they go heaven. Air fire direct. Now you they go. There's also prepare away for you. Me yourself you come there, me you enter. Because now you by yourself, make your life. You not good now. You not good. What one they do? You just like when I just see the video, I just tire. Say you want by yourself, you want from 50 stories 4 come down. If not, I put this video for you more than see, but because of YouTube not they grow all those things. You know? I beg. If you know say you they face that kind of situation now, use this boy who take guesses, so I beg. No, now not be the solution for you to jump. Find solution to your own problem. May they help you. Say you want to jump, you know what time? Really? It doesn't worth it. You know what time for you to say you want from up, jump, come down. You know what time now? More not they do all those things again. I beg. Now God will say beg you now. I beg. When I know the ban accept someone from up jump come down again because of deportation. I beg we take beg now because this video I don't want to make it long. I just want to matter advice our people. Deportation is not the solution. Taking your own life is not the solution. Yeah, it's not the solution. If they want to deport you, let them deport you. Not be say you want from up jump come down, they'll leave you. No. If you from up jump come down, they'll carry you go. If you see they okay, that is if you see they are alive, they'll carry you go hospital. But if you're not going there alive again, bye bye. That will say arrivederci. Bye bye. Then they will tell you. They'll come to remember you that oh, this boy died here. Yeah. So that thing, that thought where they come on our mind say that don't be the solution of our own problem. I beg, that will not be solution. No. That will not be solution at all. Say you want from 50 stories 4, all because of say they want to deport you. You know how many people don't do and will be say they're not there alive today. Talk of 15 stories. Not be even first, second, 15. My people. And this guy saying 1-4. Thank God say they hold am. So forget that guy now. My people, I beg. When I want to do all those things again, I beg. Now use God will say beg now, I beg. So thank you everybody and take care. This video I don't want to do and make it long until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady Jail. Please share this video for me, subscribe, like, and thumbs up for me. Bye.